Hey guys, backyard scrapping here. Today we are going to actually make a piece for the upcoming Redneck Metals Auction. This is going to be a new piece. Let me find my thing. It's going to be a sand casting. I actually spared you guys, you've seen me fill these molds, and you've seen us all fill these molds 100 times. So the sand is packed in there. It's already done. Now what I have here is I have a little tiny skull that was actually a pendant, and what we're going to do is we are going to create a mini BYS 3-skull bar. So in order to do that, I've got to find my parting powder. Okay, here's my powder. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to make 3 impressions, but I'm going to connect them, and then we're going to go outside and we're going to pour this, and then I'm going to finish it up and show you what it looks like, so that I don't have to take this chance of breaking up this sand again. So we've got our parting powder on there, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to start with my center one, and I'm just going to make an impression. Good of an impression as I can, just like that. I'm not worried about the breakaway yet. Then I'm actually going to do one next to it, and it's going to break up a little bit. Redo this one, and I'm going to redo one right there next to it, just like my 3 skulls. Okay, now you see that all broke up. Well, it broke up because we're pushing 3 separate pieces in. I'm going to keep fiddling with it like this and packing it in until I get it the way I want it. And then what we're going to do is we are going to take our blade and we're going to cut out this little section right here. Cut that out. Doing this to make everything secure, and I'm actually going to pour this out of pewter because it's going to be a lot quicker and easier to work with as far as cleaning up the master mold. And then I will have a master so that I don't have to worry about this breaking up by pushing this into it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up a little bit, and then we're going to go outside and we're going to pour this guy in pewter. So we'll be back at you in just a bit. Okay guys, so we did our pewter pour. You saw I packed the mold, or I actually didn't show you packing the mold, but I show you how I made this. And I went outside and poured it, and I don't know what I did, but I screwed something up, and anyway, I didn't get the pour on camera. But like I said, you did see me just, making this part. So I'm actually going to go through the process of cleaning this up. It is poured out of pewter, so it is actually fairly easy to work on. And then we are going to use this for our master for our mini BYS 3-skull bar or casting or whatever you choose to call it. So I'm going to go ahead and continue working on this, and we'll get back at you in a bit. Alrighty guys, here we are. There is our master. Hang on just a second, let me change the focus on this. Okay, there it is. So there's our master. You saw, how I did the impressions on the mold. I didn't do anything with the back. It's just, pewter, because I'm actually going to use this now for the master. And I am using this for the master to make a silver one for the Redneck Metals Auction August 2nd. So I'm not going to go through that process. If you want to see that silver one and bid on that silver one, it'll be up for grabs August 2nd. I believe the auction starts at 5:30, and that's Redneck Metals. But anyway, I just wanted to show you how to make a master. If you want to have something, I've been doing them, I've done them before, like this monster guy. I did him out of copper, which actually it would have saved me probably a lot of time had I done it out of pewter like this, because you saw earlier that you can actually work the pewter with a pocket knife. It's much faster to create your master. So I am going to go ahead and end this video, and I hope you guys can make it to the auction, and we'll see you then. Y'all take care. We'll see you in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.